What something? Who is something?
Honk, honk.
There, say hi in the video.
Hi. Again, it's helicopter and sensor.
Okay, so hi guys. So we're here again for another unboxing video.
Yeah,
so
you
look
would
at our
have,
chicken there.
and you would have if you have seen that unboxing this in helicopter. This is what I just got and hit the water. This thing helicopter is meat.
Okay, so I just got home. I just got home and this one was delivered. So I don't know what is this, but did you order this with mommy?
Yeah. So
it says here rechargeable cordless electric hair clipper. Oh no, or trimmer. But I think these are for the dogs. This is for the dogs, right? Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we open it. Okay, so there you go. Still sealed. There. Still sealed. So.
And I hope that is not a crocodile.
Oh, it's not, I think.
I need a crocodile.
Alright, so there you go. So this is the item. And
can I do it?
You do it? Okay. Careful. You remove the there. Okay. Hey, move here, move here.
It's a human and dog saver.
Oh, human and dog shaver?
Like for my haircut.
Okay, so can we open it now? Other side, other side.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
Okay. This is quite easy because this is so sealed with duct tape. Okay. I think I am. What? Just open box! Just open you box! Come on, Wonk!
Alright. Okay, put it here.
Bro,
So.
did you see me? Wonk.
Yeah, wonk. Alright, put it here, here.
I like it. I'm gonna test out it. I love it.
Wait. So we have sizes here. So this one's 3 mm.
Oh, where's that? There it is. It's just for eating human.
This one's 6 mm.
And what's this used
And
for?
9 mm. Okay, so
What's this used for?
I think that's used to clean the clipper. Okay, so this is the clipper already. There.
Saber!
There. And
Bro, we don't know how we use this. We attach this on the comb.
okay, there.
We attach this on.
Oh.
Remove the. Bro,
You
I
hear
think
that?
I know how we use this. Bro, we use this to slack the thing. So we use this to comb.
We use this if we want to do like this. See? So that's the measure of the hair that will be left. So just this one. That's how high. Like this. Oh.
And what do we use it for? What do we use this for?
That's the same.
All of it?
Yes, the same like this.
Can I try see
Like that.
Oh. Ah! That's
Okay, wait.
good.
Okay, wait. So we also have here oil.
For what?
Oil.
So what?
For this one so that it will slide properly. But I think it's not advisable right now. But we can put more. Okay. So there you go, guys. So this is Blueidea Rechargeable clipper trimmer. Right, so I think we ordered this for the dogs. So let's go try.
A few moments later.
There! Look, these are chickens.
Oh, this one. Receive this one.
That's Tamper.
That's it.
Okay, you shape it together with mommy. Shape it together with mommy. Wait for mommy.
No sense. Wait, I make this one. Wait. Come here. No, not you. Not you. Stop. Ay. Come on, kainit. Here. Here, that part. Here, this one. How? I don't know. How do you do that, Daddy?
You don't need to put that. Wait.
How does...
Baliktad.
Ha!
Like that.
You know this, huh? Okay, why is it not saving? I don't know. Bro, why is it not saving?
I don't know, maybe you're doing it the wrong way.
Does it not have a manual or something?
There.
It doesn't. Oh, there. Yeah. I have to be careful. So this one is for the protection of the skin.
Yeah, and the measurement of
how are we gonna cut
how
this?
high the...
Because if that is, then you put the smallest one. It doesn't. Daddy, it doesn't. See? Oh, it does. But it's... Because they're shedding a lot. Oh, see? You keep still. It's Look, I did it, Sen.
Okay, so Sen cannot do it, so there. I went to get scissors.
Medyo matagal lang, no? And I'm kind of scared. It's like a massage, darling. Then I'm gonna be cut. Jealous ka, Tamper? Jealous ka? Because it's not your turn. Yeah, because
So
my moon is...
we'll just continue to
Tamper, you wait.
have the dog's haircut.
It by himself.
Right, so there you go. Bye guys. You say bye.
Bye guys. Bye guys, because I really need to give a dog a haircut.
And
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to subscribe to this team.